Working in crypto, how can you go from stacks holder to stacks builder, starting a career in the stacks community? Many jobs are available that allow you to work for entities working on the stacks blockchain. But maybe working for an entity isn't something for you and you rather build your own company on stacks secured by Bitcoin. In this video we will provide you with multiple ways of how you can start your career in the stacks community. There are many ways you can start your career on stacks, via applying for a job, presenting yourself in the talent pool, learning how to write smart contract code, learning how to start a company, applying for a grant, learning how to create NFT projects, and so on. We will split up this video in two parts. The first part assumes that you don't think you are ready to start working in the stacks community and want to educate yourself first. If you think you're all set, feel free to go to the timestamp below that says "Start working immediately", where immediate options of funding requests and job offers are explained. So first we will start with educating yourself to kickstart your career in crypto. You can do this via multiple pathways. First, let's start with the one that will bring you the most opportunities, since you can actually create anything with this skill. Learning how to develop smart contracts with clarity. A smart contract is a computer program or a transaction protocol that is intended to automatically execute, control or document legally relevant events and actions according to the terms of a contract or an agreement. All NFT projects, DeFi protocols and entities need smart contract developers, so whether you want to work for a company or start your own, smart contract developers are desperately needed. You can learn how to create stacks smart contracts secured by Bitcoin by following one of the Clarity Camp courses, which is a course where you can learn to build smart contracts from scratch. No long background in coding is needed, but it is recommended to have some previous development experience, as this is an intensive and technical course. You can join the next Clarity Camp cohort by going to the link in the description and submitting yourself for the waitlist. The Clarity Universe team will reach out when the next Clarity Camp starts. After this course, you are able to work for the many entities building on stacks, as well as creating your own smart contracts for NFTs, DeFi protocols, DAOs and more. But what if you don't want to learn how to code? Maybe coding isn't something for you and you much rather want to have a career in marketing, community building or managing. Well, then there is another great pathway to kickstart your career in the stacks community. There are many entities on Stacks that fund startups to create applications on Bitcoin. For example, Stacks Ventures initiated the Stacks Accelerator program, where many startups get funded to accelerate their growth in the crypto market. However, starting your company is of course difficult, and without a team even more so. That's why the Stacks Startup Lab exists, to teach you the way of becoming a crypto company builder. Startup Lab is a 2-month bootcamp for startups and designed to enable you to transform into the best builder you can be. You get mentoring sessions, workshops and more, which enable you to get fast-tracked into the accelerator program, fine-tune your own idea, or maybe even join one of the existing ideas and build together as a team. It's all possible with the free Startup Lab course. You can sign up by going to the link available in the description below. The last education program we will discuss is the program that kickstarts your NFT project on stacks secured by Bitcoin. The Mintery. The Mintery is a mentorship-driven program helping creators launch successful Bitcoin-secured NFTs. With the Mintery, you will go through the full process from creating to minting out an NFT collection. Whether you want to create an NFT that gives people access to exclusive content, or an NFT that allows you to become part of an exclusive group of people, or maybe just sell digital art as a true NFT artist, it's all possible via the free Mintery course. Apply for the Mintery and start your NFT project on stacks secured by Bitcoin. The link to the waitlist is available in the description below. Now, what if you don't need education and want to immediately start working in the stacks community or create your own project on stacks? Great! Stacks.co/jobs allows you to look through all the available jobs of companies building on stacks. Don't see anything there that suits your skill set? No problem at all. You can register yourself as someone willing to work in the ecosystem by clicking on Join Talent Pool. This will make you visible to all the amazing companies building on stacks. But what if you want to create your own project? As we've mentioned earlier, you have the ability to apply for the Stacks Accelerator, a 3-month mentorship-driven program for teams building the internet of our future. However, be aware that this funding program isn't for people that don't have any experience or a solid concept. The second option is to apply for a grant. The grants program funds builders and developers who are creating developer tools, community resources, applications and research that grow the Stacks ecosystem and serve the Stacks community. You have the option to apply for a grant based on whatever you feel is needed for the Stacks ecosystem. However, again, be aware that your concept should grow the Stacks ecosystem and serve the community. Applying for a grant that's purely beneficial to growing your own company isn't something the grants program focuses on. So before you apply for a grant, evaluate your application and critically review whether it fits the needs of the Stacks ecosystem. Also bear in mind that your application will be publicly displayed and can be reviewed by anyone. This enables the core community to help determine which grant requests are most beneficial to the growth of the Stacks ecosystem. So now you know how to start your career in crypto on Stacks. Only you know which path is right for you. We hope you will choose wisely and will become part of the next generation of Stacks builders on Bitcoin. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.